Wondercat.
Hey, Milo.
Hi, Miss Walsh.
Hi, guys. Guess what we're going to be doing today?
Something to do with superheroes.
The music gave you a clue, didn't it?
A little bit.
Yeah. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be writing our very own superhero story.
Whoa!
Okay.
All right.
So, if you want to do that, come in close. I made a little plan for us.
Okay.
The first thing for planning your superhero story is who is the hero.
Right.
So you have to make up a hero for your story.
Nice.
Like, I was watching Spider-Man, and in the movie
great.
Spider-Man is the hero.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct. Batman's the hero.
Yep. And then, like, Supergirl's the hero.
Wonder Woman.
Yeah.
I get it.
You got it. Okay, so the second thing you need to do for your story is you have to figure out who's the villain.
Right. Who's the bad guy?
Or bad girl.
Or bad girl.
Yeah.
There's some of them out there.
So the villain is usually the person in the story who causes some type of problem, okay? And the hero is the person who kind of solves that problem.
Causes some kind of problem.
Yep.
All right.
Just like he's about to do right now.
More foreshadowing.
Okay, so the third thing you need to do if you're going to write a superhero story is you have to figure out what is the emergency.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
That's an important one.
So the emergency in your superhero story is basically just the problem.
Right.
So there has to be something for the hero to do so that they can be a hero.
Right.
So maybe they save a bunch of people from a bus that's about to go over a bridge.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Okay?
That would be an
That
emergency.
would be an emergency, okay?
Okay.
And the hero would solve that problem.
Right.
And the fourth thing that you have to figure out before you write your superhero story is how will the hero save the day?
Right.
What are they going to do to save the day?
Right. Are they going to catch that bus from falling off a bridge?
Yeah.
Are they going to...
So I made up my own superhero story.
Yes, you did.
And I used some familiar people, but they're not people.
Oh, okay.
They're pets.
Yeah.
And they're my pets.
Right.
So
You can dress them up however you want.
yeah. And it's my story, so I can make whatever happen that I want happen.
It's beautiful. Imagination is a wonderful thing.
Yep. So check this out.
Let's see
I
it.
titled my story Otis the Wondercat. So,
There he is.
yep.
Right there.
Yeah, and I even did like a pretend O on his chest like Superman.
Okay. All right, let's read this out loud. You be Otis.
Okay. What's wrong, Beast?
I cannot reach my favorite bone.
So, on this page, I have the hero and I have the emergency.
Right.
Beast cannot reach his favorite bone.
Right.
It's up on a high shelf.
He can't even his tail can't even reach it.
Yep. So I have my number 1, who's the hero, Otis the Wondercat.
Otis the Wondercat.
And then I have my number 3, what is the emergency?
Yeah.
And that's that Beast can't reach his bone.
Cool. So far you have 1 and 3 done.
Yep. All right. So, dun dun dun. Now I've done my number 2, the villain.
Oh, I see villain.
Yeah.
Milo the villain.
Milo the naughty.
Milo the naughty.
Yep. So, do you want me to be Milo the naughty?
Okay.
He will never reach his bone up here. Milo the naughty hid Beast's bone too high for Beast to reach.
Oh no.
I know. So I have my number 2. I have who's the villain.
Yep.
And now all we have to do is how's the hero going to save the day? What is Otis the Wondercat going to do to save the day? And that's what I did on my last page. Do you want to be Otis the Wondercat?
Sure. Dun dun dun! I will save your bone.
Otis the Wondercat jumped up and knocks the bone down to Beast.
Perfect.
Yay! The day is saved.
Good job, Otis the Wondercat. Look at how happy Beast is.
Yeah, he has a smile.
I got my bone.
So,
Cool book.
yeah, so your job is going to be to make your own superhero story, and you get to make up the hero, the villain, the emergency for the hero to solve, and you have to say, how is the hero going to save the day?
That's fun stuff.
Yeah. I cannot wait to read your superhero stories. I know how creative you guys are and how much you like to use your imagination.
So creative.
So make sure that you have a good time writing your superhero stories.
Oh no, he's coming for us. He's gonna
And
hide.
I'll see you later. Bye, friends.
Stay happy. Bye, friends. Bye, Milo.